Hello, today is Tuesday, September 1st, 2009, and this is the Sphinx Forex review for today. In the YouTube, you can go to YouTube videos, Sphinx Forex blog, website, blog.sphinxforex.com, or if you want to follow us on Twitter to know when we put up a new video, you can go to twitter.com/sphinxforex and sign up for Twitter updates. Alright, let's go ahead and get into charts. Well, the euro, anybody remembers yesterday, I was a little apprehensive about going long because the long-term trend was strong. I looked at a 4-hour chart. The bull had not been in charge. Every time they try to charge it as currency, we had a reversal here. There's a 4-hour chart here. So we had a reversal here. Every bull tried to take control of the euro. The bears wrestled it back from them. So your dominant trend was trading short. So here we go. Trade a day. New York session. MACD came across zero line to the short side. So here was our low. Low on this candle is 42.6. So 42.85 is going to be the entry. Here's a pullback because here this came brought in low, so pulled 1 pip above high. This high here is 40.44, so 43.45 is going to be the stop loss. So the candle brought you in, and once it took you into the trade, you're never really trades to compromise your stop whatsoever. 85, so that's a 60 pips loss. So you're going for 120, so 82.85 minus 120 going to be 41.65, and low is 41.77, so it was 12 pips shy of a 100 pip trade. So more than likely, when this little break started happening here, I would have took my profit just probably about 100 pips, at least 80. I'm not going to calculate everything, but no, this was an 80 pip trade, and that's what I needed for today. As far as I go, I'll be happy with 80 pips in one trade every day. So let's look at another pair. Let's pound, pretty much insane for the most part. Wasn't as clean. I'm not going to draw little lines, but you can see that came across the zero side here. It was the low. Actually, you stopped the trade on this currency, not common of the pound. It's a beat. So this here would have been an entry. So this candle would have took you in. You saw the retracement here would have taken you out of the trade for stop loss. Could have re-entered this trade here. You wanted to continue the trend, and you'd have made money back for sure, at least with your stop on this trade. But it wasn't clean. You would have had the trade that you would have given would have been a loss. Now, euro yen, I think they're good looking if I remember right. Here we go. Let's see. Short took you in. This could have been close to a stop loss because it'll wheel out and then you came back in here. Would have been a nice trade. Definitely would have took your profit if you'd have taken the loss on this trade. Depends. I don't like this because you actually know this would have been a really good setup, and you would have. It's just one of those that would have won again because the MACD extended itself to the side. So it looks like the momentum, then it just whipped back around and then came through. So would have taken a loss on this first trade, and your second one would have been a winner. So that's the yen. Let's look at the dollar Swiss, and it should be a little bias. Okay, Mark session about here came across the zero line. This high side. And then on your, let's see, the high here is 0.66, so 607 is going to be entry. So there's my 07. Yeah, you got in on this trade. Stop loss, yeah. So the dollar Swiss, you would have taken, if you'd have got in on here, you would have taken a loss because it pulled back past the stop loss that would have been here. And then your second entry would have been dynamite. You could have went long again. And this trade definitely would have made back this loss in some, because it's let's see, 07, and it's timed out over here at 06, 07, so basically 700. So that's 93 pips if you'd have got back in, which is far up for the loss you've taken here. So the dollar Swiss you'd have been 50-50 as far as win ratio. You'd have made your money back in some. Take second trade. That pair. Let's look at the I'm a gold one these days, but the bottom be down. Yeah, I don't really trade this pair. I just got a huge following to gold. Okay, that's it for today. Again, the euro is your trade. It was clean, and then would not have gotten this first time. Again, to recap, this candle would have brought you in, and just wasn't come you were good to go. So that would have been a nice 80 to 100 pip trade for you. That's it for today, and we'll see you tomorrow.